The Dry Boost feature on your dishwasher can be added to various cycles to increase drying performance. Press the Dry Boost button once for optimal energy efficiency and press twice for better drying results. You can also turn off the feature to conserve energy. The Dry Boost fan distributes heated air into the tub during the dry cycle of your dishwasher to provide better drying results and help remove residual water spots. The warm, damp air is then vented through the dishwasher and out the front of your unit. The available night dry option is a convenient feature that works overnight. The dishwasher can be loaded before going to bed. An vent fan is used to help prevent condensation from occurring after your dishwasher cycle is complete. Your dry dishes will be ready to unload and put away the next morning or at a time convenient to you.